Hi, all, it's your guy here, the unknown, and today it's a very important day. Today it's the first Friday of the month, therefore we are having non-farm. Okay, and I know everybody is ready for non-farm and everybody will be looking at non-farm. Okay, however, here's how to trade non-farm. Don't guess direction. Jim Rogers, if you don't know what to do, do nothing. Okay, make sure you never open a trade if you don't have an edge. And just because news will be released simply means you might not have an urge. Okay, so don't guess directions. I repeat, do not guess directions. Okay, wait for the news to trade. Okay, then they will give you an opportunity after. Wait for all those spreads to settle, wait for all those big moves to happen. Remember, market makers will be looking to make a lot out of people, and they can wick. That's highly possible. They can wick both sides, come consolidate in the middle, then give a trade later. They can wick one side, then go to the other side. Okay, then later pull back just to reverse to the opposite side. Guys, believe me, there's gonna be a very big move after non-farm. Okay, and the real move takes time. So wait. Give the markets at least 15 minutes to trade the news and let them settle. Maybe they'll give you an opportunity after 15 minutes. Oh, maybe they'll give you an opportunity at 3 o'clock. Oh, wait, maybe they can give you an opportunity when the US equity time opens. Okay, that is 9:30, 3:30 South African time. They will give the best trade after the news have happened. Remember, they're only going to use the news to hit the hell out of everybody. Okay, and just know that 90% of guys lose. 90% of guys lose. Okay, and guys, I mean retail guys. So don't be part of that. Don't guess news. Wait. They will give an opportunity. They can give an opportunity at 3:30. Okay, they can give an opportunity maybe at 30 minutes after the news have traded. They can give an opportunity at 4 o'clock. Whatever time it is, they will give a nice opportunity and you will get your best trade. If they don't give it, they didn't give it. It's better to preserve your capital. Okay, why am I saying this? Basically because first of all, you don't know what to do. Okay, can't guess the news. You don't know if they're gonna weak. You don't know if they're gonna go down. You don't even know if they're gonna go up. You don't even know if the results are gonna be positive or non-farm. Sometimes the results can be positive, like it's all about employment. Sometimes unemployment might go down, but the prices might also go down. It's highly possible. Sometimes they use the news to trick everybody and take the opposite direction. Okay, so you don't know what's gonna happen. Okay, so wait for the news to trade and be patient. Wait for them to trade. After they've done that, wait for them to give an opportunity. They always do. Okay, if they don't, then you'll find that okay, the news will go straight in one direction and that move will be strong just to present a good trade on Monday. That's highly possible as well. So don't guess the news. Wait for the news to settle. They will actually give a nice opportunity. Okay, and you don't need to be in something whereby you actually will go through heavy spreads, you'll go through slippage or whatsoever. Guys, I've guessed the news too many times, and the problem is there was this one time I guessed them right and I actually sold. Okay, and I was like the move went 50 pips, but for me they increased the spreads to beyond 50 pips, and guess what happened? My stop loss and my entry was 50 pips apart, so the move went in my direction. I think it was 100 pips, but I was only 30 pips in profit. So it doesn't matter if you get them right. They're going to increase the spread. And you know what spreads are? Spreads are actually the cost you pay to the broker for actually opening a trade. So just be careful, guys. That's going to happen. Wait for the trade to happen. I mean the news, and then they'll give an opportunity later. Just pay close attention to what happens every 15 minutes. Okay, when a new 15-minute candle opens, make sure you know what's happening. Okay, because they will present a good trade. Okay, they can present it after the US equity time has opened. Maybe they will go up and then correct. then go up again during the equity opening time, stop hunt everybody who sold, and then go down. Anything can happen. Okay, I'm not saying they'll go down. I'm just giving an example. Another possibility is look at what they've been doing from Monday. Okay, that will give you a clear indication of what they might do today, but don't guess. Okay, if maybe they've been pulling people into one direction Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday they might punish, obviously after the news, because the news are going to trade and then they will go into the right direction. Okay, if it goes straight, then it didn't present anything. Your capital is still preserved. Rather preserve your capital than to risk it all. Okay, so guys, I wish you the best on non-farm. Just wait, don't guess, and wait for the right opportunity to happen after the news. I wish you all the best, guys. Thank you.